As I mentioned, information on our alert day for tomorrow on the WTOL 11 weather app, plus here on air. So let's talk about what we are anticipating. Some strong and fast moving thunderstorms will be coming through town Thursday afternoon. The timing, we are anticipating 3 to 6 p.m. So of course that's going to include right as that school bell rings, after school practices, and even folks that are getting out of work. The threats that we will be looking at will be some small hail, winds, and even the potential for some funnel clouds. We have enough cooler air working in with yet this somewhat mild winter weather that we've been working with to cause then these stronger storms to work into our forecast. But for today, this is kind of the calm and quiet. Though we have the clouds and it looks like it's trying to rain out there, we really won't see that rainfall moving in until about bedtime tonight. So 10, 11 o'clock, some steady rainfall will be rolling through the area. This is non-severe. This is not the reason for the alert day. So as you head through tomorrow morning, we're going to have still a few of these showers that'll be in the area. But really into the early afternoon, late morning even, we'll start to have some clearing that'll allow for some sun, and that's going to prime the pump for then when this line rolls through around 3, 4, 5, and 6 o'clock, that's going to allow for that storm to bring us then those strong damaging winds, some smaller hail, and again, we could even see some funnel clouds that try to build in with this system. It'll be very fast moving, and once this narrow line pushes through, then we will have clear conditions that fill in behind it. So again, some of the impacts that we will be monitoring is for that smaller hail, the stronger winds, and like I said, funnel clouds. Just remember though, funnel clouds aren't touching the ground. Once they do make contact with the ground, that's when it becomes a tornado. So that's what we'll be watching for, is those funnel clouds on any development that they have. All of this coming from the storm still into the plains. We're going to be on the rain side of this. So we have the warm front that's going to be moving in tonight, setting up the warmer weather for us. And that's why we're also then going to be looking at that thunderstorm potential. For today, though, still pretty mild. A lot of our readings into the upper 30s to lower 40s, as we'll only gain a couple of degrees here this afternoon for your highs to be around 43. We'll have the cloudy skies before that overnight rain, and then we have that alert day for Thursday. It'll be into the afternoon that we have that. Temperatures will be around 52 degrees. The cold front that we have takes us into those 30s, and then we'll be watching for some rain and snow showers as we head into Sunday and Monday, and another system for later next week.